Good morning guys, let me show you how to log in into Strava. So at first you have to open the app and now you can select login either via Facebook, Google or email. It's up to you. Let me choose Gmail. You can pick the current account that you have. And that's it. Now you have to tell Strava who you are. So let's enter first name, last name. Here you can add birth date, also gender if you wish, and tap on continue. And then decide which sport is your main one. Let me just write, but then I would add 3 more: run, hike and swim. Then tap on continue. Here mark what do you want the most from Strava. So let me click on find new routes for my activities. Tap on continue. Here, as you can see, you can stay connected to more ifs you have. Tap on allow to send you all notifications. And here you can either get the full option for free, just for a few days, or you can, as you can see, add your, for example, PayPal account or credit card to buy the whole packet, the Pro one. Obviously, the basic version is, if you tap on cross icon, the basic version is accessible with no additional payment. So here you've got the basic option. You can add some friends that you wish to follow. Let me choose, for example, this one. Then you can also connect it with your Facebook or with your contact list to find your friends. Then here you've got the maps that you can use. You can start recording some activity. You can check your groups. And here is your account. So here you will be able to observe your progress. And then over here you will be able to see all the activities that you did. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.